Hang on guys, let's do this problem right here. The question is asking find the centroid. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all we have to know the equation to find the centroid. So it's going to be x bar is equal to integral of x dA, then integral of dA. So this is how we calculate x bar, and to find the centroid we need to x bar and y bar, so we have to find y bar. So it's going to be same thing, but in this case it's sigma y, not sigma, integral of y dA, then integral of dA. So this is how we calculate, these are the equation to calculate x bar and y bar. So let's see how we can find the area first. So to find the area, this is, so these are, so y is equal to, they have given the equation for this line and the parabola. So we have this information. So to find the x bar, what I can do is I can take the part of this area right here. So if I take this one, so this is going to be dx, this distance is going to be dx, and this is going to be, the area is going to be dA. Then so the centroid is going to be somewhere here, right? So let's see how we can find it. So then what I have to do is I have to create an equation for dA. So if I create equation, dA is going to be equal to, it's a differential equation, so it's going to be, so dA is going to be equal to y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. I take this one as y1, this is y2, and that one multiplied by dx. So this is going to give us area. So in this case what you have to do is we can integrate this one. So it's going to be integral of dA and integral of this 0 to 4. So it's this 0 to 4, then 0 to 4. Instead of y1 I can substitute x right here, so it's going to be x minus, and for y2 I substitute this 1 over 4 x square, so it's going to be 1 over 4 x square right here times dx. So when I integrate this, dA cancels together, so it will become a, so in this case, so this is going to become, so if I find the integral of this one, it's going to be opposite of derivative, right? So it's going to be x square over 2, so x square over 2, and if I integrate this one I will get x cube over 12, and this is going to be 4 to 0. Then if I substitute the 4 for this value, x value is going to be 4 square over 2 minus 4 cube over 12, and if I find the value it comes out to be 8 over 3 feet square. So this is my a value. Now I have found the bottom part. Now I have to find the top part. So it's going to be integrate x dA. So integral of x. So let's put all together. So x bar. So x bar is equal to integral of x dA over integral of dA. Instead of integral of x dA, I can put integral of x times dA is going to be this equation right here, x minus 1 over 4 y 1 over 4 x square. So I put that value here, so it's going to be x minus 1 over 4 x square times dx, and if you multiply this one, it's going to become x square minus 1 over 4 x cube dx. Now if you integrate this one, you will get, so we shouldn't forget the integral of a in the bottom, integral of dA in the bottom, integral of dA. Then I continue in this side. So if I integrate this value right here, it comes out to be x cube over 3. So this is x cube over 3, then minus x4 over 16. So I'm doing this value. So that's my integral of this one. In the bottom we found the area already, we can directly put it right here, and that one comes as that gives the x bar value. So if you substitute 4 for this value. So let's substitute. So 4 cube minus 4 power 4 over 3, 16 over 8 over 3, and calculate the x bar. That comes out to be 2 feet. So this is the final answer for x bar. 2 feet, x bar is equal to 2 feet. Now we have to find the y bar. So to find the y bar, what you have to do is I draw this diagram again. So it's going to be something like this. So the diagram is going to be exactly like this, but in this case when I find y bar, I have to take this distance. So it's going to be something like this. So this is going to be dy, and then this is the area of this one is going to be dA. Also we know the equation, it's the same as this one, so we have to rearrange for y right now. So it's going to be, let's say this x1 is going to equal to y for this equation. For the parabola, it's going to be, we have known this value y is equal to 1 over 4x square. So if I solve for x square comes out to be 4y. Therefore x is going to be equal to root of 4y. We can write this one as 4, we can write this one as, so square root of 4 is going to be 2. So we can write this one as 2y power half. So this is the value right here. So let's see how we can calculate this y bar. So we know the equation is sigma y dA, not integer y dA, integer dA. So we have to apply that equation to find the y bar. So I write this again. So integer of, okay, integer of, wait a minute. Integer of y dA over integer of dA. So in this case, what we have to do is we have to find the first of all we have to create the equation for area. So area, equation of area is going to be something like the x2 minus x1 times the uh, times the dy. So if you multiply, you will get the area right here, and instead of x2 we can substitute this value. We found it, so this is x2. So we can substitute this value for x2, so that's going to become 2 2y power half minus y times dy. Then what's going to happen is, so when we substitute this value right here, so I'm taking integer y dA, so y times this value right here, so it's going to be 2y power half minus y dy over the area. We calculated this one already, it's right here, we can substitute directly here, so we can say this there. And let's see what we can find out from here. So if I integrate this one, so before I do this one, I multiply this one, so it's going to be 2y, if I multiply 1 plus point, it's going to be 3 by 2. This is going to be minus y square over times the dy over a. So I have to integrate this one. So if I integrate this value, it comes out to be 2y power 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 minus y cube over 3, and this is going to be 4 to 0, and in the bottom it's going to be, I can substitute this value here right here. Area is going to be 8 over 3, and for the y I substitute the 4. So if I substitute the 4, it's going to be 2 times 4 power 5 over 2 minus 4 cube over 5 over 2. This is going to be 3. Then in the bottom we are going to get 8 over 3, and if I find all the if I calculate all the values, the final value comes out to be 1.6 feet. Therefore we can say y bar is equal to 1.6 feet. So it's going to be the centroid is going to be x is 2 feet, so it's going to be exactly in the middle right here, and the height is 1.6 feet, so it's going to be somewhere right here. Let's say this is the value, and therefore we can say centroid is somewhere here. So this is my centroid. This is how we find the centroid for this kind of question, and I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.